In this video, I will show you how to see your saved posts on Instagram. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see currently on Instagram. Now to see your saved posts, the first thing you're going to want to do is come and press onto your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner to be taken across to your profile page. From here, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the three lines to come into your settings. And then what you can do in the section that says how you use Instagram, if you actually press onto saved, you can see all your saved posts. So we can click onto here and we can go through and see all the posts that we saved from Instagram, just like so. So that is how to see your saved posts on Instagram. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.